When it comes to making precise cuts in wood, many DIY enthusiasts end up frustrated because they can't get clean angles or professional-looking results. The truth is, most of the time, the problem is simply not having the right tool for the job. In this video, I'll be showcasing the 5 best miter saws available and helping you decide which one suits your needs best. If you'd like to check the current prices or purchase any of these miter saws, I've included links in the video description and the first comment for easy access. Let's start with the DOVAMAN miter saw, a great choice if you're looking for power and precision in a compact size. This saw features a strong 2,000-watt copper motor that runs at 2 speeds, 3,200 and 5,000 revolutions per minute. That means it can handle wood, PVC, or softer metals with ease, giving you smooth and clean cuts every time. One thing that makes this saw really flexible is its extended sliding rail, which offers a maximum cutting capacity of about 13.4 by 3.5 inches. Thanks to this, you can cut larger boards or beams without losing accuracy or stability. For angled cuts, the blade tilts from 0 to 45 degrees to the left, and the table can rotate 45 degrees in both directions. There are 9 preset stops that make adjustments quick and help you avoid mistakes when cutting frames or moldings. To help you stay precise, there's a built-in laser guide that projects an adjustable line right on your workpiece. This is especially helpful for detailed work where every millimeter matters. Plus, the saw comes with 3 quality blades, 2 with 40 teeth for wood and 1 with 48 teeth for softer metals. So you won't need to buy extra accessories to start working on different materials. It's designed for both right-handed and left-handed users. Thanks to its ambidextrous build and a double safety switch that helps reduce fatigue and gives better control during longer projects. To keep your workspace clean, it includes a dust collection bag and a vacuum port, cutting down on sawdust and keeping your view clear. Overall, the miter saw brings together adjustable power, a generous cutting capacity, and features that boost precision. It's a smart pick for professionals who need reliability and also for hobbyists who want pro-level results without the hassle. Next up, we have the METABO miter saw, a tool that really stands out if you want fast and accurate cuts on wood or other materials. Thanks to its vise-style clamp system, your workpieces stay locked in place, which boosts both safety and precision every time you cut. It comes with a 10-inch blade and a wide table, giving you a solid and stable base. That makes it great for demanding woodworking jobs, whether you're working at home or on professional projects. The high-performance 15-amp motor can reach up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, so even tough or thick materials get sliced smoothly. That kind of power really helps when you're doing remodels or complex tasks on a regular basis. Even with all that power, this saw is lightweight and portable, weighing only about 24 pounds. That makes it super easy to move from one job site to another without losing comfort or precision. It's a solid choice for pros who need to stay mobile without giving up quality results. For angled cuts, you get a miter range from 0 to 52 degrees on both sides, and a bevel that tilts up to 45 degrees to the left. This gives you tons of flexibility when you need different angles. Plus, it features adjustable bevel stops and handy thumb-activated positive stops, so you can make quick, accurate adjustments without slowing down. Another great feature is the electric brake, which stops the blade in just seconds for added safety. The blade guard and the horizontal handle also help you keep a steady and comfortable grip while you work. With a 5-year warranty and the trusted METABO HPT quality, this saw is a reliable pick whether you're an expert or a DIY fan who wants professional-level results. It's a great balance of precision, power, and portability, ideal for any workshop or home project. Just a reminder, you can find all the purchase links with updated prices in the video description and the first comment. Let's continue with the RYOBI P553 miter saw, a cordless option that's part of the popular OnePlus 18-volt system. This lineup is well known for its interchangeable batteries, giving you the freedom to work without being tied down by cables. The 24-tooth carbide blade, measuring about 7.25 inches, lets you make crosscuts up to 4.25 inches and handle wood pieces roughly 1.5 by 3.5 inches in a single pass. That makes it a great fit for small projects, quick fixes, and light carpentry, where you want clean results without hauling out bigger, heavier tools. You can adjust the miter head up to 47 degrees both left and right, and it comes with quick stops, so you can set up repeat cuts fast and accurately. When you need more detailed angle cuts, the bevel adjusts from 0 to 45 degrees and has positive stops at both 0 and 45. This really helps when working on trim, baseboards, or decorative joints that need extra precision. Even with its cutting power, the saw stays light and compact, weighing around 21.8 pounds. That means you can easily move it from room to room or take it to your job site. Its smaller size doesn't affect stability either, thanks to the clamp that keeps your material steady while you cut. To keep your workspace tidy, there's a dust bag and a 1.25-inch port that works with most shop vacs. This helps reduce sawdust clouds and keeps your cutting line clear. Swapping blades is quick too, thanks to the spindle lock, saving you time and getting you back to work fast. Plus, RYOBI backs this saw with a 3-year warranty, adding peace of mind to your investment. Overall, it's a perfect mix of portability, accuracy, and cordless convenience. Great for pros who need flexibility and for DIY fans who want quality results without the hassle. Now let's move on to the DEWALT MITER saw, built for anyone who needs steady power and precise cuts on all kinds of projects. At its core, it has a 15-amp motor that hits around 4,000 revolutions per minute, giving you enough strength to cut through hardwoods with ease even on long workdays. One of its best features is the stainless steel miter plate with 14 positive stops. Choosing common angles is as easy as a quick click, which helps you do repeat cuts faster and keeps everything looking sharp and even. For those fine adjustments, it comes with a cam lock system on a machine base, so your chosen angle stays locked tight without any wiggle. This is a real bonus when doing tricky angled cuts where accuracy matters most. It also has a tall sliding fence that holds crown molding or baseboards up to about 5.5 inches tall in a vertical position, giving you better support and safety when working on decorative finishes. The saw head can tilt from 0 to 48 degrees left and up to 3 degrees right, which makes it easier to do complex bevel cuts without having to keep flipping your material around. In terms of capacity, it can handle wood pieces around 2 by 8 inches at a 90-degree angle, or about 2 by 6 inches at 45 degrees. That covers most framing jobs and interior projects you might face, all with the level of precision DEWALT is known for. Even with all that power, it stays lightweight and portable thanks to the built-in carry handle. That makes it perfect for pros moving from site to site who still want pinpoint accuracy. Overall, it's a solid mix of power, precision, and user-friendly design in a size that's easy to take anywhere, making it a trusted partner whether you're a demanding contractor or a DIY fan chasing that perfect finish. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Finally, let's talk about the Evolution Power MITER saw, a versatile tool built for anyone who needs to cut different materials without wasting time switching blades. Its tungsten carbide-tipped blade can handle steel, aluminum, wood with nails, and even plastics, so you can keep working without stopping to change anything. It runs on a 1,200-watt motor, paired with a specially designed gearbox that boosts performance while protecting both the motor and the blade. This means you can get more work done with less wear and tear over time. The saw can cut pieces up to about 4.9 inches wide and 2.1 inches tall in just one pass. That's perfect when you're dealing with bigger boards or wider materials, and it still keeps every cut accurate and clean. When it comes to angled cuts, it offers a bevel range from 0 up to 45 degrees, and you can adjust the miter to either side up to 45 degrees too. This makes it great for creating frames, detailed moldings, or anything that needs precise joining. Weighing only around 12.8 pounds, it's really easy to move, carry, or fit into smaller workspaces. Despite its compact size, it stays stable while you're cutting, which keeps things safe and smooth. Another plus is its solid build, made from tough materials that stand up to frequent use without falling apart. So it's a reliable choice if you want something that lasts and doesn't need much upkeep. It also comes with a dust collection bag, which helps keep your work area tidy and gives you a clearer view of what you're cutting, preventing messy buildup. All in all, this is a compact, powerful, and well-rounded saw that works just as well for experienced professionals as it does for hobbyists who love do-it-yourself projects and still want great results every time. That's a wrap for today. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect miter saw or if there's another miter saw you'd like to see in our next top list. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. If you want more info or the latest prices for each product, make sure to check out the links in the video description and the first comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.